up, everyone? It's your girl Bri, back at it again with another video. If you're new here, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and also like and leave a comment below. Okay, in today's video it's all about my unboxing video. It's my new ring light and I just want to show you guys what it looks like, and I'll leave all the details in the description box. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so I got some scissors because I need some scissors. I'm so excited! Amazon put this box in a box. I hate when they do that, but I guess it makes it safer for your products. I don't know. Ooh, I don't know. Okay, this thing's pretty heavy. One is really weak. Probably the latter of the two. So yeah, this is what the box looks like. Oh, I'm gonna open that up. I'm so excited. And it comes in this, I think there's other stuff in here, but it comes in this carrier bag. I like this. So I can take this anywhere with me. It's portable. I'll open that in minutes. I'm destroying this box. I know you guys want to see. Don't judge my room. Damn. Okay, so I guess this is just the tripod part to my ring light. I don't know what that is. I think this is the mount. My room up, make it look like my studio. Ooh! So this is the actual ring light. I don't know why it looks like that. Is this broken? Hey, don't judge my nails, okay? I'm gonna show you all that came with it. Alright, so this is the actual ring light. This is the plug that goes to the ring light. These are like you can change like the color on the ring light, I guess. I'm gonna have to play around with that. The plug, another mount. Ooh, is this a Bluetooth for him? Hey, that's what's up. Mounts and a pole. And instructions. Alright, so I'm just gonna build this real quick and then I'm going to show you guys. What it looks like, okay? Alrighty guys, I have finished. Let me go ahead and plug it up so you guys can see it. This is supposed to be a powerful light. This is a big battery. me close the blinds so you guys can see how actually bright this ring light is. Can't even. Oh shoot. I can turn this up higher or lower. See, lower, all the way up. All right, and now I'm gonna test it out with my phone actually on the ring light and videotape from there. All right, 1 second, please. All right, guys, that is my unboxing video. If you guys want to see more content like this, go ahead and leave a comment below what kind of content you see next, and